Good evening, everyone. We're here at Fire Exit Skybar, and I'm with
Sean Santibanez.
so we will be asking some few questions to
Sean Santibanez.
Sean. So may I know your name and years of experience?
By the way, my name is Sean Santibanez. Year of experience, almost 3 years.
So what are your favorite things about being a bartender?
I enjoy exploring mixing cocktail.
What are the top 3 must-have quality of being a bartender? And
Being patient, humble, and then flexible.
so what is the most unforgettable moments as a bartender?
They flirting me.
So what are your tips for aspiring future bartender?
Siguro, pag makinig lang sila sa nagtuturo sa kanila, and then kailangan mabilis silang matuto. Like, kung ano ituro sa kanila, kailangan talaga ipasok nila sa utak nila. And then, yun nga, yung binanggit kong tatlo, kailangan ma-flex nila yun sa attitude nila and then sa galaw nila. Yun lang.
At mahalin niya yung trabaho.
Yeah.
So what are your favorite drinks?
For me, is whiskey sour. Relaxing kasi siya for me.
So
Yun lang.
ano yung pinaka-last?
Sorry? Parang nakapag-relax kasi siya kasi whiskey, mostly. Pag tinikman mo siya, matamis na maasim na, hindi para ma-relax ka lang. Yun lang, pag-stress ka.